Okay guys, today we got a video review of a carpet cleaner. This is the Hoover Carpet Basics. If you go on to Amazon, they have this carpet cleaner on sale for $99 as of November 2019. And they call it a Power Scrub Deluxe. So look that up if you're interested in one of these. Now, I got this through Amazon Prime. In 2 days. It looks like a good carpet cleaner. I've used it a little bit in the house. I'm going to do a test in my mud room, which is really dirty. It comes with all these accessories in this bag here. The thing I liked about this one versus a few other ones I looked at, it has these power scrub brushes. They spin like this, and a lot of carpet cleaners have a rotary brush that kind of goes like this. I've had one of these before where with the spinning brushes. It does a nice job cleaning the carpets. This one has 2 separate tanks. Your top tank right here comes off real easily. There's a separate tank for your solution right here. You can kind of see they're split. So your hot water, take hot water out of your sink, put in this bottom one right there, fill it up there. And it has a rinse and a wash switch. So when you're washing, turn it to that. It automatically dispenses soap along with the water, and then come back and do a rinse cycle on it. And all your dirty water collects in here, which is real simple to get off too. Just lift up on that and the whole thing comes out. It has a little float in there, if you can see it. And there's a float, so if it fills all the way up, it will shut it off. It's real simple to empty it out. Just pull that plug and dump it. And you can also take it apart by lifting this latch and clean it out real good inside there. Also, the front comes off here. This suction nozzle right here at the front comes off, and then your accessories all plug in over here on that. So I haven't tried out the accessories, but it comes with a spot treatment. Let's see if I can open this up. Here's all your accessories. Got your hose and a, not sure what that is, like a crevice cleaner, a spin brush, and this is like your upholstery cleaner here for doing your couches and stairs and whatever. And I got a smaller one here too. And the spin brush. And this, where is it? Right. Thought it came with a spot treatment. That may be a different one. Spot treatment brush. No, doesn't come with that. That's probably the next one up from this. But anyways, I'm going to do a test on some really dirty carpets. Here's basically a Carton Contents. If you want to look right there, that's everything that comes in there. You also get some carpet cleaner. That's enough to fill up your tank. You can see I used a little bit of it. Levels down here. So what I'm going to do today, got my mud room. It's really dirty, nasty carpet in here, which I'm going to tear out eventually and put a regular floor in here. We're going to see how it does. I don't think it's going to get these bad stains up. I doubt it. But here near the door, it looks pretty muddy. We'll see how it does over there. I'll split it down the middle. I'll do half of this and we'll see how it does. Okay, as far as how to operate the machine, you've got a cord wind around there, built in. You can turn this to take your cord off real simply, like that. Get it plugged in. I'm going to plug into this outlet stick out there. And basically to transport it, leave it upright and you can transport on those wheels. And then to clean carpets, you're going to hit this big lever in the back, and it tilts back and you can move it. And here's your on-off switch, just a little one here, right there, which I gotta turn my power stick on. So you can kind of hear how loud it is. It's pretty loud. So we're going to try it out on a few of these stains in here. It's going to be extra loud because I'm in this small room. This room's about 12 by 12. But I'm going to try it out here. And you squeeze this handle here. You want to release the solution. Okay, I went over that a few times. You can see that water got pretty muddy. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that water's really muddy. You can see it sucking all the dirt out. I'm gonna do, I just noticed something I had on rinse. So let's do it on wash. I have to try it over again here. I wouldn't dispense in any solution. Okay, so here's how the carpet cleaner did on this little section of carpet here. It looks like it sucked a lot of that mud out. If you look at the dirty water tank, I went over this quite a few times. That dirty, it's filthy, it's extremely dirty. So I'm going to try another spot here. This spot here, these stains, I think they're oil stains. Somebody put something oily down. This spot here, I put a little of this OxyClean on here, and it's been sitting for maybe 5 or 10 minutes. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go over half of this stain without any OxyClean, just the carpet cleaner with the detergent that came with it. So here we go. Let's see how this works. Wow, that got that stain up. That's unbelievable. I'm not sure if it's the OxyClean or the carpet cleaner or a combination, but I'm gonna go over it with the rinse now. Let's see. That's good. Damn good. So this is how it looked right here. Look at that. Pretty good. Let's try this stain over here. This is, whatever it is, it's the same stain. It's all over in here. We'll try it without the OxyClean. Okay, there's that stain. No OxyClean, just the carpet cleaner. And I gotta say, the OxyClean did a better job. But the carpet cleaner with the detergent that came with it did clean quite a bit. You can see the difference between here and here. So I guess if you get some really bad stains like that, shoot a little of that OxyClean on them. That's pretty good stuff. So overall, good carpet cleaner. It definitely, I mean, it's got some suction power. It sucks that dirt right out of the carpet. I'd recommend it. This mudroom is terrible. It's really dirty in here. So if you can clean the carpet in here, I'd say you can do your regular carpets no problem. Just kind of look at the difference in color. Alright guys, take care.